case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit ruled in 1973, in a seminal case, Borel v. Fibreboard Paper Products Corp., that manufacturers have a duty to warn consumers of known or foreseeable dangers linked to their products. This ruling also held that manufacturers can be held accountable, even in the absence of their own negligence. Clarence Borel, an industrial insulation worker, was right at the heart of this case. Over a period of 33 years, he was continually exposed to asbestos-containing insulation materials manufactured by the defendants. A resulting diagnosis of asbestosis and mesothelioma led Borel to take legal action. He argued that the absence of any warning about the inherent risks of asbestos exposure amounted to a grave dereliction of duty by the insulation material manufacturers. Though the defendants rejected the charges while proffering arguments of contributory negligence and assumption of risk, the jury was not swayed. The evidence furnished by Borel, which included his personal account of working in conditions heavily permeated with dust from asbestos-laden materials, sealed the defense's fate. Borel described a work environment so saturated with asbestos dust that it would cling to his clothes and lodge in his nostrils. While he was cognizant of the unpleasantness of the situation, he was not alerted to the serious health risks it posed. The appellate court upheld the stance of the lower court, declaring the insulation manufacturer's defendants strictly liable. Their failure to voice out warnings about the dangers asbestos presented had harmful repercussions. They were adjudged responsible for their inaction and the resulting damages. Although 4 defendants had agreed to a pre-trial settlement, the remaining 6 were deemed jointly responsible for the harm inflicted upon Borel. The ruling underscored the fundamental principle that manufacturers cannot rely on unforeseeable misuse to claim innocence. Notably, contributory negligence failed to serve as a defense against strict liability. The verdict catalyzed a firm warning that silence can indeed be deadly. The duty to inform consumers of the potential hazards linked to products was strongly echoed, underscoring the crucial role of caution and transparency in the safeguarding of public health.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.